Given 2 points A and D. A is x1, y1, D is the point x2, y2. Vector AB is OB minus OA. And it's just x2, y2 because the position vector of OB is x2, y2. The position vector of OA is x1, y1. So that means vector AB is just x2 minus x1 over y2 minus y1. So let me show you why vector AB is OB minus OA. Remember I mentioned to add vectors, you must make sure the direction of arrow follow. So let's say this is OA. This is vector OB. So how to have vector AB? Vector AB is pointing from A to B. A to B. So the direction of arrow follows. You start from OA. If you add AB is vector OB, right? So you start with O, you go to A is vector OA, then plus vector AB is same as vector OB. So with that you can bring the term vector OA to the right hand side. So vector AB is vector OB minus vector OA. Let the vectors 1, 0 and 0, 1 be denoted by I and J respectively. So the vector 1, 0 is denoted by I. The vector 0, 1 is denoted by J. And any point xy can be expressed as xi plus yj. So if we want to have 3, 4, then this will be 3i plus 4j. So we just measure I 3 times, 3 units. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this will be 3i. The blue vector will be 3i. Then you want 4j, so be j, 2j, 3j, 4j. So this is j, 2j, 3j, 4j. So it means this will be 4j. Then this will be the vector 3, 4. So now this point is just 3, 4. In this example, U is I plus j, V is I minus 6j. You are asked to find the magnitude of 2U plus V. So U can be written as 1, 1. And V is actually, vector V is actually 1 minus 6. So if you consider 2U plus V, it's just 2 times of 1, 1 plus 1 minus 6. So it's just 2, 2 plus 1 minus 6. So it gives you 3 minus 4. So which is magnitude of 2U plus V is just magnitude of the vector 3 minus 4, which is square root of 3 squared plus minus 4 squared. So it gives you square root of 9 plus 16. So it gives you square root of 25, which is 5. Remember, magnitude of A is square root of x1 squared plus y1 squared if A is the vector x1, y1. So that's why you just square root of 3 squared plus minus 4 squared. So it gives you 5 as the answer.